We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from returns for to smash that like button to them when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with ATER stock, and ATR has had an explosive run today and since yesterday. Now, you could see how there was some strength there, and it wasn't the only stock going higher. The SPY has gone higher as well since it bottomed out yesterday and today and skyrocketed. And our SPY bot sent out since 1:15 p.m. a bull indicator this afternoon. And from that moment forward, call options went up 2 to 3x within an hour, guys. And this is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and joining the members, receiving this edge and clarity within the volatility of the markets to maximize on the opportunities to the upside or to the downside. So here we have obviously ATER in a position where it's gained some strength, and we're going to break down some key resistance levels and supports. But before I do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the two stocks I mentioned this morning. Both of them gave 10 to 15%, 15% plus. But one of them turned out to be a home run, and that was MNTS. We caught this one in the pre-market as it was pulling downwards after having a big spike in the pre-market hours, pulling downwards towards the bell and consolidating. Had a slight moment of a pullback after the bell, and from that moment forward, reversed into strength on 42 vision. We got that extra layer of confirmation with that bull indicator, and it went for a highest point of 30% plus, guys. We strive for opportunities like these every single day. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with ATER stock gaining momentum and having a 2-day rally so far. Now we need to talk about some key levels if this explosive move can continue. And I'm going to pull up Ultimate 42 Vision, the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and receiving the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets, whether stocks are going up or going down. And you can now gain access to this resource and join the members using it to receive the clarity and edge within the volatility and maximize on opportunities. So here we have ATR under a bull indicator, and we talked about this since yesterday, right? It was under a bull indicator, which canceled out this bear indicator and found support at around 313. If it went below 313 or $3, that was going to signify further weakness on the charts and probably a bear indicator popping up. Now, this bull indicator popped up at 327, and it found support today at 330. So you could see that there was still a small staircase effect right there from here to here, and then we got that bounce. Now, it's going to be very important to watch this moving forward, especially tomorrow and next week, because it just went back up, and it's now at a pivotal point where it either breaks out or rejects. And that's what we're going to break down in today's video. So the first thing is, this stock right now is one of the top short squeeze score stocks on the list, right? We're going to pull that up in just a moment. We're going to look at this on the 4-hour, and we're going to look at this on the 1-day as well. But let's pull up the short squeeze information. So it is number 1 on the short squeeze score list with a short interest float, right, of change here of 31%. I think it was a little bit higher before. It's a little bit lower because some covering probably happened in this first bounce. But still, those that started to short here, we talked about this in the previous video, we're going to get trapped as well, creating that fast upward momentum. short squeeze score is 99.23, and the borrow fee rate is 61, days to cover 0.19 actually. So when you go down here, I stated that we needed to watch how this reacted, right? Short shares availability is 0. Now, if you go through the history, it's gone back and forth several thousand, then back to 0, and so forth. So we know that some covering has happened in the process, but reshorting is happening as well, creating even further possibility of a further squeeze. So when you look at the short volume ratio, it's been above 50% every single day. That's another thing to consider. But the most important thing right now, based off this data, it's the #1 short squeeze score stock on the list, and the stock has begun to squeeze since way back here on the news of a new board member, and it's actually created further momentum to the stock, and those that started reshorting up here are probably going to get trapped if this holds up and this continues, right? So let's look at the 4-hour here real quick. On the 4-hour, you could see that reversal went from dark green with red borders to continuation of strength, and then we have a bull indicator here since 246. No bear indicator on the pullback. This is what I call a setup for the next bull run when no bear indicator pops up and this bull indicator is still holding true. And then if you go over to the 1 day and we look at it as well, you could see no bear indicators, pure bull strength, and full strength on 42 vision. So this is a sign right now that things are moving with momentum. Now, for it to reject and end, it would be a rejection between 414 and up here at 423 or even 430, a little bit above it. If that rejects, that is going to be something to watch very carefully, but it could be a setup, like I call it, for the next bull run. So it doesn't mean that the whole chart has been destroyed, but a rejection point can create a resistance level up here if it happens very fast and it's followed by full transitions of dark green with red borders. So that is something to watch. Now, this bear indicator got canceled out. This bull indicator is dominating the chart since 327. And if it breaks above 423, the next level of resistance is up here at 486. Those are the key levels I'm watching based off the history of the chart. If you want to round that up to 490, you can. And that is the key level here right now if 423 is broken through. Now, if you want to use a midway point, 450 would be a great spot to look at. Now, to the downside, the first support level here is 359. I would just round that up to 360. And then below that is up here at 330. So those are the key levels to the downside and to the upside. Right now, the data is showing that there's a lot of short interest. There's 0 short shares available. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below. Have you been tracking this with us here on the channel? Have you known about it before the channel? I look forward to seeing those comments and thoughts down below where you guys see this going moving forward. If you guys want to receive clarity within the charts, check out the link down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator to get connected to the SPY bot, the QQQ bot, and the premium indicators to receive the clarity and edge that you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. You can now join us. These resources are available and you could join the members using them to maximize in either direction. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and let's make some money.